If you're finding that your Reminders app isn't working on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be, especially when you rely on it to keep track of your tasks and appointments. This hiccup can pop up for several reasons, like software glitches, syncing issues, or even some settings that might be off. No worries, I have got some easy steps to help you troubleshoot and get that app back on track. Let's dive into how to fix the Reminders app not working on your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn off restrictions. Start by opening the Settings app again. Next, scroll down. Then tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down once more. Now, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Finally, make sure to turn this option off. Solution 2. Check iCloud Sync Settings. First, open the Settings app. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, tap on iCloud. Now scroll down a bit. Make sure that Reminders is toggled on for syncing. If it's already on, try turning it off and then back on again to refresh the connection. Solution 3. Offload apps. Open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Look for Reminders in the list of apps. Tap on Offload app, then tap Offload again to confirm your choice. After that, tap on Reinstall to bring the app back onto your device. Solution 4. Delete and reinstall. Tap and hold the Reminders app icon on your screen. Then tap on Delete. Now open the App Store. Search for Reminders. Finally, install it again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any problems with the Reminders app not working on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble after trying these solutions, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. Good luck, and I hope the Reminders app is back up and running smoothly soon.